Alright, so today I'm gonna be unboxing the Foreman grill. I'm gonna see what it comes with. So it says it meals in under 20 minutes. So this is everything comes with. So we got this, where all the grease is gonna go. Give me 1 minute. Let me just take it out, and then I'll be back. Alright, so this is what came out of the box, and so it comes with a cord and something to flip the things around, like the things you're cooking. Yeah, this is the George Foreman grill. It's actually bigger than I expected. But yeah, this is good. So it's basically everything that it came with. Yep. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.